What's up, legends, and welcome back to the Nexus. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of the biggest stories shaping our world today. First up, we've got major financial plays unfolding as Clear Harbor Asset Management, LLC, makes a significant move, boosting their stake in the iconic International Business Machines Corporation. This isn't just a small adjustment, it's a substantial increase that could signal big things for IBM's future. Next, we're heading to the international stage, where the International Criminal Court has just revealed detailed charges against former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte. These allegations are serious, detailing his alleged involvement in a number of killings during his time as president and even as mayor. The court has laid out the specifics, and the implications are massive. Then, we're witnessing a significant geopolitical shift in West Africa. 3 Sahel military juntas, Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger, have announced they are officially quitting the International Criminal Court. They're calling the court a neocolonial tool and are forging their own path, which could dramatically alter international justice. And finally, we're switching gears to the diamond for some thrilling sports action. The Scranton Wilkes-Barre RailRiders are officially kicking off their championship series in Jacksonville. Can they bring home the title? We've got all the details. Stick around for all this and more, and make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on. Clear Harbor Asset Management, LLC makes big bet on IBM. In a significant financial maneuver, Clear Harbor Asset Management, LLC, has substantially increased its holdings in the venerable International Business Machines Corporation, also known as IBM. This isn't just a minor uptick. The firm's stake grew by an impressive 40.7% during the second quarter, adding 1,158 shares to their portfolio. This strategic move signals a strong conviction in IBM's long-term prospects, with their total holdings now valued at over $1.18 million. This development comes at a crucial time for IBM, a titan in the technology sector, as it navigates the complex landscape of hybrid cloud and AI solutions. The company recently reported strong quarterly earnings, exceeding analyst expectations, and showing a healthy revenue growth of 7.7% year-over-year. Despite a mixed reception from analysts, with a majority rating the stock as hold, the substantial investment from Clear Harbor suggests a bullish outlook from at least one major player. The market reaction has been watchful, with investors scrutinizing the implications of this increased institutional ownership. Analysts have been adjusting their price targets, reflecting ongoing debates about IBM's valuation and future growth potential. The company's recent dividend payout further adds to its appeal for certain investor segments, though its payout ratio is notably high. But what does this mean for the future of tech giants and the investors betting on them? Stay tuned, because we're about to uncover another major international legal development that's sending shockwaves across continents. Duterte's crimes against humanity charges revealed. In a landmark announcement, the International Criminal Court has officially detailed the charges against former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte, alleging his involvement in crimes against humanity. This isn't mere speculation. Prosecutors have submitted a 15-page charge sheet outlining serious allegations stemming from his time as president and even earlier as the mayor of Davao City. The charges specifically cite numerous killings, including those of alleged criminals and drug dealers, authorized and instructed by Duterte. The court's filings break down the alleged atrocities into distinct periods. Killings during his mayoral tenure between 2013 and 2016, targeted killings as president between 2016 and 2017, and further killings during clearance operations from 2016 to 2018. These revelations paint a grim picture and have significant implications for international justice. Despite his past denials of authorizing extrajudicial killings, Duterte's presidency was marked by a controversial war on drugs. The public reaction has been divided, with supporters criticizing the current Philippine administration for his arrest and surrender to the ICC, a court whose jurisdiction they dispute. His legal team is currently arguing he is unfit to stand trial, leading to postponements of scheduled hearings. These international legal battles are reshaping global dynamics, But what happens when entire nations reject the court's authority? Get ready, because 3 West African nations are making a dramatic exit from the ICC, and we've got the full story. Sahel nations exit International Criminal Court. A seismic shift is underway in West Africa as Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger, all currently governed by military juntas, have declared their withdrawal from the International Criminal Court. In a strongly worded statement, these nations have labeled the ICC a tool of neocolonial repression, signaling a profound break from international legal oversight. This bold move follows a pattern of these nations distancing themselves from regional bodies like ECOWAS and underscores a growing assertiveness on the global stage. They argue the ICC has unfairly targeted weaker states while overlooking transgressions elsewhere. While the withdrawal officially takes effect 1 year after notification, any ongoing investigations will continue under ICC jurisdiction. The juntas also express intentions to establish their own indigenous mechanisms for justice, emphasizing sovereignty. Human rights organizations have voiced serious concerns, fearing this withdrawal could diminish international scrutiny of alleged abuses within these conflict-ridden nations. This decision reflects a broader geopolitical realignment, with the Sahel alliance of states increasingly seeking partnerships beyond traditional Western powers. From international law to the roar of the crowd, we're heading to the baseball diamond for some championship drama. Don't go anywhere, because the Scranton Wilkes-Barre RailRiders are about to play ball for a title. RailRiders ready for championship showdown. Get ready, baseball fans, because the Scranton Wilkes-Barre RailRiders are officially embarking on their quest for the International League Championship. After a stunning turnaround that saw them go from a sub-500 record in May to a dominant 60-432 stretch, they've clinched the second-half title and are now set to face the Jacksonville Jumbo Shrimp in a best-of-3 final series. This marks the RailRiders' 9th appearance in the final series and their first since 2016. Manager Shelley Duncan, a veteran of the 2008 championship team, sees a remarkable similarity in the clubhouse chemistry of this squad. He credits the team's resurgence to a blend of returning players, key veteran acquisitions like Carlos Carrasco and Jamer Candelario, and a more favorable travel schedule. The team's ability to gel and overcome early season challenges has been key to their remarkable second-half performance. The championship series promises a fierce battle against the Jacksonville Jumbo Shrimp, a team that finished just ahead of the RailRiders in overall record. With both teams boasting talented rosters, including several top prospects from the Miami Marlins organization on the Jumbo Shrimp side, the competition is expected to be intense. Manager Duncan emphasizes the need for quality at-bats and disciplined approaches at the plate, particularly against Jacksonville's strong pitching staff, while also focusing on solid defense and limiting the run game. What an incredible journey for the RailRiders! But before we sign off, let's quickly recap the biggest headlines that shook the world today. Get ready for a lightning round of news, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And that's a wrap on today's Legends Nexus. We saw Clear Harbor Asset Management, LLC, make a bold move with International Business Machines Corporation. The ICC details serious charges against former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte, and 3 Sahel nations make a dramatic exit from the International Criminal Court. Plus, the Scranton Wilkes-Barre RailRiders are battling for a championship. Don't miss out on any of these developing stories. Hit that like button, subscribe to Legends Nexus for your daily dose of breaking news and in-depth analysis. Ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us on all social platforms for more exclusive content.